Paticca-Samuppada.
The Chain of Dependent Origination. Therein, Bhikkhus, the noble disciple attends carefully and closely to dependent origination itself as thus. When this exists, that comes to be, with the arising of this, that arises. When this does not exist, that does not come to be, with the cessation of this, that ceases. That is, with ignorance as the condition, there results volitional formations. With volitional formations as condition, there results consciousness. With consciousness as condition, there results name and form. With name and form as condition, there results the six sense bases. With the six sense bases as condition, there results contact. With contact as condition, there results feeling. With feeling as condition, there results craving. With craving as condition, there results clinging. With clinging as condition, there results existence. With existence as condition, there results birth. With birth as the condition, aging and death, sadness, physical suffering, grief, displeasure, and despair come to be. Such is the origination of this whole suffering mass of dukkha. But with the remainder fading away and cessation of ignorance comes cessation of volitional formations. With the cessation of volitional formations comes cessation of consciousness. With the cessation of consciousness comes cessation of name and form. With the cessation of name and form comes cessation of the six sense bases. With the cessation of the six sense bases comes cessation of contact. With the cessation of contact comes cessation of feeling. With the cessation of feeling comes cessation of craving. With the cessation of craving comes cessation of clinging. With the cessation of clinging comes cessation of existence. With the cessation of existence comes cessation of birth. With the cessation of birth comes cessation of aging and death, sadness, physical suffering, grief, displeasure, and despair. Such is the cessation of this whole suffering mass of dukkha.